Hi, Chris Olmsted here with hashtag Bumblebee. There's Bumblebee. I don't know if any of you have the issue yet with trying to find the cabin air filter on these new trucks, but let me show you something. If you had an older version truck, they used to go right up in here, but after looking further down in the hole through the darkness, you can see that the cabin filter is kind of off to the side here, and I'm stood out here for a minute scratching my head trying to figure it out where the cabin filter goes. So I just wanted to give you guys this video to let you guys know that it's easy to do and you can do it yourself and save yourself shop time. So without further ado, let me reveal to you where the cabin filter is. So I'm going to put it back together here real quick before I show you. Where it is, because I already opened it up and figured it out, and I don't want to reveal it. Okay, so you see this box right here, it's on your passenger side. Okay, you look around the corner, there is it says open with arrow, and even has a airflow direction on the box. So slide it down, okay, and there's your cabin filter, and it gives you your airflow direction for when you insert the new one. So grab this guy, take it out, which surprisingly my cabin filter is not really that dirty. I've only got like, I don't know, 70,000 miles on the truck, but I like to breathe clean air, so I went ahead and picked one up while I was at the terminal. So this is what a clean one looks like, nice and white and clean, brand new. Okay, so you find the airflow arrow. I'm guessing that that's the arrow. I don't see any other arrow. Okay, so point the arrow towards the driver's side of your truck, just like it showed on the box. Slide that baby right in there. Okay, and then you go about 3/4 of the, well, you go almost all the way up. Sorry, go almost all the way up, right like that. And there's a little metal piece, so you got to make sure that it's past the little metal grate down there, and then you grab a hold of it and slide it up until it clicks, just like that. All right, so that's how you change the cabin filter on a brand new 2019 new body style. Make sure I didn't forget anything. New body style Cascadia. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day.